Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time, and today I've teamed up with Cynosure to give you this beautiful beat. I went ahead and did a straight out of the box install, didn't bleach the knots or anything like that, and I feel like it's giving slight Instagram baddie. And the icing on the cake is I did this in less than 20 minutes. It's amazing when you practice your installs, you can get them more perfect and you can get them more efficient and fast. Because I remember when it would take me like hours to do one install. Not anymore because I've had so much practice. But yeah, it's going to be a simple install. I believe this one is 24 inches in length, 220% density, and it is a jerry curl texture. So I'm going to use the Holy Grail Jerry Curl S Curl product from back in the day. So you'll see how that works out for me. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trail.
Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up. C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth, had to go right back to it, If you ain't talking about money, please save your breath, don't bring it up to me, I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, Hey, don't slip on the trip.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars and flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected, but the moves elusive and I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winners when I know you're losing, so I work the winners and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper cash, fuck a tax. That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the max. I got lab on my back. You ain't that, then it's raps. Whoa. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby. I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah,
how you feel like a man with that? I took a long little real life, stay true to that. Hey, never mind how you feel like a man with that. I took a long little real life, stay true to that.
Hey, big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time. My drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag at a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a handout. Niggas ain't on what I be on. Niggas ain't on, need to rewrite. Yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Fuck who you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what.
Hey girls, so I am working with Cynosure hair. I'm looking for the bag. This is the bag here that the wig came in. You guys have seen this company before if you rock with me. This is the bag the wig came in, and it says that we are doing a 24-inch, 220% density jerry curl textured lace wig. Love a good jerry curl lace wig, and we'll talk about the product I used to bring this jerry curl to life. This is the wig caps that came in the package. They also included an adjustable elastic band in there. You guys know I'm gonna bond the wig down, even if it's a glueless bond. I'm not gonna use those, but it is great for beginners and people who just want a little bit more security and comfort, reassurance if you will, and then a nice pair of lashes. So with this one, as I mentioned, the texture is jerry curl, and it's nice, full, and long. So I remember growing up, Holy Grail product that was always like, you guys know the hair products used to wear like underneath the cabinet in the bathroom. Well, that's how it was, at least for us growing up. My brother had a nice curly textured hair like my mom, and so like she would keep his hair cut, and she kind of kept it with the boosie fade, or sometimes it like the faded and it kind of go like to a high top, and those were his styles. And then he had the natural like curly hair up top, and this was the Holy Grail product I remember as a child smelling every morning. It's so funny because when I opened up the bottle, started spraying it, the first thing I did was smell it, and it reminds me of back in the day. Like this was always something she used to spray onto his curls. And so I decided to pick up a bottle or two from Amazon. It was actually a 2-pack. I have it in the description box, but I figured let me try and use it on my jerry curl textured wigs. I don't get jerry curl textured wigs often, but because I knew I had one coming up, I figured let me try it out. Now the con to this product is that you guys know a lot of times my favorite thing to use is mousse. Mousse sprays out in big chunks or like a larger quantity, so it's easier to feel like you are pumping a lot, but you get there faster than that. Because it's a smaller nozzle and a slighter spray, I would recommend that one if you're gonna like co-wash the wig or like wet the wig first and then add the product. It's a really good product, but the fact that the spray nozzle is so tiny and fine compared to like a mousse, with all of this hair, because this is 220 plus density, you definitely will be here forever. So that is why I did one side on camera and I kind of cut the camera for the opposite side because it was way too much. Well worth it with the results. I really do like the way it came out. As far as the wig itself, you can definitely bleach the knots on this one. I contemplated doing so, but it is 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 11 o'clock yesterday. So I'm not gonna do that. For something that is straight out of the box install, I would say I did a hell of a job. This looks absolutely beautiful. Be sure to let me know down in the comments what you think. Also, be sure to check out Cynosure. All the details and link is in the description box. Thank you guys for rocking with your girl if you made it this far in the video, and I will see you in the next one. Smooches.